Here's how to find draft posts on Facebook. So to find your most recent drafts, you will need to open the Facebook app. So first I'm going to make a draft post in this page. So let's type something in here. And then click back on this post and then click Save as Draft. So now where do we find that draft post? So you'll simply come back to the profile where that draft was saved from, and then simply click on what's in your mind to start typing a post. And that should immediately bring up the post that was recently in drafts. Now, if for some reason this is not bringing up the most recent draft, here's what you can do to find it. So you want to go back. So to find your drafts, you will simply need to click on the notification icon in the page or the profile that you used to save the draft. And you should see a notification that you have saved the draft. So you will simply need to click on the most recent notification. And then it should take you to drafts. And now you should simply choose which draft that you want to continue editing. So for example, click on the first one and it should bring up the create post with the draft you saved earlier. And then you can simply continue and click next. And if you decide to post it or share it to story, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.